Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a Jupiter Red. Under the hood is a 2-liter inline-4 turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque with a 7-speed automatic transmission. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one comes with the AMG line, which is going to give you AMG body styling, bigger sports brakes, and an AMG diamond black grille. For wheels, you've got 18-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. We've got a black leather interior, panorama roof. Come around back, we've got a rear spoiler, CLA 250 4MATIC badging. And up the tailgate, we've got a set of all-season floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, keyless entry, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got a touchpad steering wheel control. Also with the Premium 1 package, you're going to get dual 10.25-inch high-resolution monitors for your instrument cluster and media display. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. A rear view backup camera. Also new is the touch screen on the media display. You're able to navigate with a simple touch. We've also got MBUX in this car, which is Mercedes-Benz user experience, which is an artificial intelligence. You can give it simple commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Change ambient lights to green."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
As you can see, it changed the color of the ambient light to green, as simple as a command. We've got dual climate controls, our key, cup holders, our new touchpad for our media display, and some buttons for our dynamic selects, volume. This CLA has 3,377 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA, check out feldmanimports.com.